friends, Miss Kim here in the courtyard at the Killingly Library, and I'm going to do an experiment for you today, a chemical reaction with baking soda and vinegar. And we're going to start with a napkin square. I took a napkin, unfolded it, and just tore one of the squares out. And then I'm going to put baking soda in the middle of my napkin. I need 1.5 tablespoons. And I have a 1/2 tablespoon measurer. How many of these 1/2 tablespoon measures will I have to make to get 1.5 tablespoons? Very good, 3. Thank you. That is a great answer. So we're just gonna measure that into the middle of my napkin square. That's 2 and 3. And you don't have to worry about it being exact. In fact, for this experiment, I encourage you to play around and try different measurements and see if you can slow the reaction, increase it, all kinds of things. So then I'm going to take the napkin, fold the back over to the front and the front over to the back, and fold the sides up so that our pile of baking soda is covered. And I'm just going to flip it over so I can work with the rest of the experiment for a minute. You're going to take a sandwich baggie and open it up. It's a little difficult out here with the wind blowing, so bear with me. Okay, opening that, and I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of vinegar inside my baggie. And then I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. That is not essential, but I think for videoing purposes, it'll be a really cool effect for you. You'll be able to see it very well. And then I'm going to hold the napkin in place while I seal the baggie. You don't want to drop it in there before your baggie is sealed. We're going to create a Baggy Bomb here. And when I drop the baking soda packet into the vinegar, it's going to create some carbon dioxide gas, and hopefully you'll get to see that baggie explode as it fills up with the carbon dioxide gas. If you don't seal the baggie, the gas will just escape and you won't get the explosion. See that foam? Oh my goodness, that baking soda is reacting so well with that vinegar, isn't it? Oh, let's see, will it explode on us today? Hopefully it doesn't actually explode on us, but just explode for us. And I encourage you to try different variations of vinegar. Maybe add some water and see if that